In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge CSV files in Google Sheets. We'll bring the contents of a CSV into an existing sheet by appending the rows, which is perfect when you want to combine data from multiple files into one place. A quick note before we start, make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want the sheet to live. Begin by opening your browser and going to Google. In the top right corner, open the Google Apps grid, then choose Sheets. This takes you to Google Sheets where you can create or access your spreadsheets. Create a blank spreadsheet or open the one where you want the merged data to end up. If you already have a sheet with headers, that's great. Keeping consistent column names across files helps everything line up correctly. Click any empty cell to make the sheet active. This simply ensures the import targets the right sheet. Next, go to the File menu and choose Import. Import is the safest way to control exactly how your CSV lands in the sheet. In the Import window, switch to the Upload tab. You can drag and drop your CSV here, but to follow along, click Browse. Locate the CSV file on your computer, select it, and click Open. If your file is large, give it a moment to upload. When the import options appear, look for Import Location and choose Append to Current Sheet. This option adds the CSV rows beneath any data you already have without overwriting your existing content. It's ideal for merging because it preserves your current sheet structure. If your CSV has the same columns and order as your sheet, you'll get a clean merge. If the order differs, you may need to realign columns afterwards, so it's a good habit to standardize headers before importing. Now click Import Data. Google Sheets will process the file and place the rows directly under your existing dataset. You should see the new entries appear almost immediately. If something doesn't look right, you can undo the import with a quick Ctrl+Z or Command+Z and try again. From here, you can repeat the same import process for additional CSV files to continue building your merged dataset. Sheets saves changes automatically, so there's no need to manually save. After merging, consider sorting your data, applying filters, or running a quick spot check on a few rows to confirm everything aligned as expected. That's it. Your CSV data is now appended to your current Google Sheet, and you're ready to analyze, share, or continue merging more files using the same steps.